Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Gobi Manchurian dry recipe. It is a very interesting and favorite recipe to kids. So today we learn to prepare it, very easy and quick recipe. Now we'll see the ingredients required. We need 1 cauliflower, 5 tablespoon maida, that is all-purpose flour, and half cup corn flour, and half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, and 2 green chilies finely chopped, and 1 large onion finely chopped, and 1½ tablespoons soya sauce, and half tablespoon chilli sauce, and 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoons spring onions finely chopped, and chopped capsicum, and oil as required, and salt as required, and half cup water. Coming to the preparation, separate the florets from cauliflower, and boil cauliflower florets in salted water over medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After boiling, drain excess water. And now mix maida, corn flour, half teaspoon ginger paste and half teaspoon garlic paste, salt and red chili powder in a bowl, and adding water. Now add all florets in the batter and mix well. For perfect manchurian, batter should coat to every floret. And now heat oil in kadai. Carefully drop 6 to 8 florets in oil and deep fry over medium flame. And after that, drain and transfer deep fried florets. And now again take a little oil in kadai and add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, half teaspoon garlic paste, chopped green chilies and chopped onions, and set them on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add soya sauce, tomato ketchup, chilli sauce and salt. Stir continuously and cook for a minute. Now add deeply fried florets and toss and mix deep fried florets with other ingredients in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes, keeping flame high, and then transfer it to plate and garnish with spring onions, and serve it hot with the tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. This is a very quick and interesting recipe. You can prepare on any evening, so try it. I hope you like this video. Keep watching my videos and like and subscribe.